Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix something unusual happened while trying to access a file needed for the update League of Legends. Now here, as you can see, when I go and update my game, either League of Legends or Valorant, you may face this issue in League of Legends or Valorant. It shows me the problem that something unusual has happened while trying to access a file needed for the update. Please contact our player support team. Now, to fix this issue, there are two main methods. The first method is to simply go and open the services. So you just have to search here for services, then open it. Then you want to open it like so. Then you want to search for VGC. And here you have it. So now after going to the services, you should right click on it, then click on stop. If you have stop grayed out, you should click on start. It's and vice versa. So if you have start active, you just have to click on start. If you have stop active, you have to click on stop. So I'm going to click on stop because stop here is the active one. And now after that, you should go back and close the League of Legends from the PC, from the client itself. Just exit the client or Valorant or whatever you have. Now, what you should do is search for Riot Client, then right click on it, then go and click on Run as Administrator, then go and click on Yes, log in into your account. And now, when you go update it, it will update automatically without any issues. And you can now open the launcher and play the game without contacting the support team. It's available for both League of Legends and Valorant. So you can try it on both with the same steps and the same methods that I have shown you. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.